My name is Naresh Surapalli, Senior Analyst and Product Manager at ARC Advisory Group. I'm going to briefly talk about ARC market research studies. We publish over 100 market analysis reports a year. Our market analysis reports are focused on industrial automation technologies and products related to process automation and factory automation. For example, distributed control systems, field instrumentation, for example, control valves, pressure and temperature and flow sensors, and PLCs, industrial PCs, HMIs, and general motion controllers, AC drives and motors, and smart sensors, and so on. Also, we publish market analysis reports focused on enterprise and plant software and supply chain topics as well. For example, manufacturing execution systems, asset management, and plant asset management, and supply chain and warehouse automation and control systems and management systems. We also produce industry specific reports, for example, automation expenditures for oil and gas, mining and metals, and electric power grid automation reports, and so on. Last but not least, we track and monitor the market on a continuous basis. We publish new reports every year on the latest technologies covering edge and artificial intelligence and cloud technologies and hydrogen automation and production systems and the sustainability and the private wireless 5G networks for industry. Our market analysis reports are typically offered with a PDF and an Excel data workbook, and our reports feature worldwide, regional, and country data, and comes with a competitive analysis and 5-year market history and a 5-year forecast as well as industry and segment data. And for more info on ARC studies, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.